Chiropractor, Dr. Devenney, Chilliwack, BC, and I have a thing that I do with my patients. So one of the things that I do is I take people's heads off for a living. Not really, I adjust them, but people think I'm gonna take their heads off. And in order to have them stop thinking about me taking their heads off, is I ask them their favorite color right before I adjust them. And we have a lot of conversations about color after the fact. People often tell me that they lied to me about their favorite color. So I've talked about color way more than I want to, way more than I needed to, but really it's just a distraction technique to keep you so that you're paying attention or not paying attention.